So I have my yellow, my green, and my white. So now I'm going to do all these in between all the other ones that you did. So just like we started with the red and pink, you can go in the middle, wiggly lines right down the middle. And these should pretty much match up with this white. Back and forth, okay? And then you're going to do your lighter color, which is, okay. If your color pencil keeps breaking, that was like the third time I sharpened it, it's probably broken inside. So after like 3 or 4 times of sharpening it, it keeps breaking. It probably just needs to go in the trash, to be honest with you. So yellow here, back and forth, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, put that on there, and then green. So you could do light purple and purple. You could do light blue and dark blue, light green and dark green, yellow and green, especially if it's a light like this, yellow and red, yellow and orange. Don't do yellow and red, yellow and orange. Anyway, so you can see how that looks nice and blended. You can also go over it a little bit with the white and try to blend it out a little bit. Okay, so same thing again here. That's what I'm going to do. White right in the middle. You can't really see it, but you know that I'm doing it. I'm going to do yellow because it's the lighter of the 2 colors, and these 2 colors are very similar to each other. They're right beside each other in the color wheel, so that's going to look really nice. My pretty green. It's okay if you want to even just go right outside of that, no big deal, because we're going to cut that out. But you do want to kind of get in there a little bit because you don't want it to be just straight lines. Like, you don't want to do this. Let me show you. Get this in there. Okay, so there's that. Definitely starting to look shiny. If I do this with the red, put my white. Let me show you what I don't want you to do. It's pretty good, yeah. Oh, I don't want you to go straight up and down like this. Just doesn't look as good, but not that big of a deal if you do it, but it's just not gonna look as good. Looks okay, you know, it's not like a failure, and it is a little bit faster, but it's not as good. It just doesn't look as good, but it looks okay, but it doesn't look as good. So if you want to do it that way, that's fine, but that's not the way you're supposed to do it. Alright, so then you're going to finish those up. When we get finished, we'll cut them out, put them to black paper, add some cool designs, and be done.